in this computer.
Recording in progress.
All right, guys. So real quick, I just wanted to share with you guys just a little bit about the change in direction that we're going in these last 2 weeks. We've had a lot of success with what we're doing, and we're going to keep going in that direction. And part of the reason is because anybody can participate in this. You do not need to have 25K in your account to day trade options. We have two different options, and I just put a document out on that, at least two. There's also the ghetto spread, which I haven't really shared yet. But the easiest way is a Webull cash account. And essentially you just play with whatever cash you have in that account for the day, and it'll reset the next day with options, with again, as long as it's a cash account. With stocks, it takes another day. It's T plus 2, whereas options is T plus 1. So the next day those funds will settle and be available. So it's not quite as good as if you have 25K and you can day trade and have that money available as soon as the trade is over. But it's really, it's not bad to, make some trades, have whatever. If you have, 3-5K in your account, make some trades, and then whatever, day trades, and that money will be cleared tomorrow. So you can definitely make money, and we have people already doing that in this group. So with success. Again, we're still having a little bit of manpower issues. I have a few people that I'm training up, and actually two who's on a call here. Deuce in the Discord came on, real knowledgeable guy, good guy. He's gonna be an admin on the team and help us out. And we also have a couple people who are going to step up. We're just kind of going through the training process and getting everybody up to speed. But the type of success that we're having right now in the short terms options group, we want that to spread out. Right now, I spend a lot of my time watching the SPY chart, the QQQ chart, like a lot of my time. So I need a little bit more help watching the rest of the market, the stocks, for the day trades, long-term alerts, which I normally do after hours. So that's not, and the swing trade, same thing. I kind of do after hours, but once we get those people in those positions, you're going to see the type of success that we're having with the short terms options in those other areas. So, I'm really excited. Confidence is at a all-time high now. We can make more money with these options in a green market. On a red day, doesn't matter. The worst days are really kind of the sideways action where we can't really jump in, and it's a little bit more difficult to read, but we can ride an uptrend, we can ride a downtrend. And I've already started to teach you guys some of this stuff in the videos. If you're not watching the videos, which you probably are if you're watching this, definitely look at these videos. I'm trying to keep them only really need to know information. They're not fluffy videos. I'm not just making videos to make them. This is all information that I think you need to be a successful trader with. You need to know how to read charts. You need to know where to take profits at. You need to know when to enter a trade, where to enter a trade, all these things. And it's not as hard as you guys think it is. The hardest part a lot of the times is taking that first step and saying, hey, yeah, I'm going to learn this stuff. Excited in the direction we're going. You're going to keep seeing, I believe, keep seeing these types of results, and you're going to see that spread out more. It's already kind of started with the swing trading. The options alerts are going a lot better. We were in a little slump there for a little while. You There's an old saying in the market. What got you here won't get you there. And basically, that's just saying what worked last year, what worked in 2020 isn't necessarily going to work in 2021, or what worked in 2021 isn't necessarily going to work in 2022. You have a whole bunch of other stuff happening. The Fed is cutting the free money tap off. We've got the war in Russia going on, geopolitical things. So it is definitely not the same market. That being said, the things that we're teaching, the principles, reading charts, all that stuff stays the same. And that's what we can control. And again, we can make money in a red market or a bull market, a green market. So I just wanted to give you guys a little update about the direction we're moving in. Again, we're not necessarily going to throw away the other positions. We're just looking to strengthen those in the same way that we strengthen the options alerts. So does anybody have any questions about that?
No, no, man. I'm good. I think G just left right now. I don't know if he got if he got.
No,
I
that's
don't know
fine.
what would happen now.
Yeah, it's a recording. So anyways, I just wanted to share that, and I'll jump in the charts and let's see what we're looking at. First I'll show you yesterday. I'll show you what I was looking at and why I entered QQQ, and what I saw to alert me into those calls. So another thing that you guys have noticed, our accuracy has been crazy on point. A big part of that is because I'm waiting for the trades that I want. So a big part of that is seeing confirmation. I like to see confirmation on 3 charts. So I'll see if I can show you this real quick. Let me move this. Okay, so here's yesterday. This is the daily chart. Wait, that was a 1-minute chart. This is the daily.
You gotta swap your screen.
So daily.
Oh, never mind. I see it.
There we go. So here's the bull cross. And again, I have all these indicators on, but again, this is the 9. I use a 9 EMA and a 20 EMA. So we have our purple, which is our 9, crossing the 20, which is our black line. And if you guys have been watching my videos, you'll see, you guys know what a bull cross and a bear cross is right now. So again, this is the daily chart. This bull cross played out. We got our confirmation, and so that our RSI, sorry, our RSI was good. We weren't completely overbought, so check mark there. Then I moved to the 5-minute chart. Yesterday. 5-minute chart. Boom. We got our bull cross. Okay. As soon as I got that, I can't remember if I saw the first or the 1 or the 5 first. But again, we got our bull cross. We got our confirmation. Check RSI. Where's RSI? RSI was a little, it was starting to get overbought here. So, I can't remember when. We'll have to see when I alerted those
I was looking
calls.
at that too, and you look at the 30-minute chart, it still had like ways to go, so that's why I chose to go with it.
Wh- What, 30
On the
minute chart?
Yeah, the 30-minute chart, it was pretty lower than the 5.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm just looking. Hang on. I'm just looking to see what time I alerted the calls.
Yeah, no, I remember this because I was tracking this here yesterday too. I saw the RSI was high on the 5-minute chart, but I took a look at the 30-minute chart and it was like around like 50 to 55-ish, something like that. And
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah, let's see. By those are yours, which I need to fix, remember, and add your gains. Uh, QQQ, that's the 23rd. Okay. Here we go. 11:19 is when I alerted them. So let's see. I do glance at the 30-minute chart too. Um, Yesterday. Yeah, there's your bull cross at about 10:30. We got it. Candle closed up. We got our confirmation. So this is what we were looking at here as well. And again, guys, you don't look at one chart and say, oh yeah, this chart looks great, really put the whole story together, look at a few different charts for the time frame you're looking at. If it's a day trade, you look at what, the 15-second, the minute.
I mainly look at the 15-second on one screen, and then I have a quad screen of the minute, the 5, the 30, and the daily, and I switch back between the daily and the 4-hour. I like the 4-hour a lot.
Gotcha. So, so, and when you see those charts start to jive, and the more you do this, the better, the more this will make sense. But it all kind of comes together, it paints a picture. That's the word I'm looking for. And then the 1-minute chart. This is today. Here's yesterday. And again, so we had the sideways action. I didn't like any of this. Saw this go down. 11:19, where are we? And then we had our bull cross right here. So I had the bull cross on the 1 minute. I must have been waiting on the 5-minute basically. And when I saw that, that was my confirmation, because we got into these calls here. And again, we could have, again, this is the 1-minute chart. We could have gotten down over here at the bull cross when we saw that confirmation there. But again, like I said at the beginning of the video, I would rather have more accuracy and less gain. So I would rather have 50% gains and get in and be right 90% of the time than have 75% gains, get in a little bit earlier, and be right 60% of the time. So that's a change in the direction that you've started to see from us already, and you will continue to see from us, because I want to be accurate. Look, I bounced right off the line. So that's what I was looking at, guys. Not to take up too much of your time here, but I want to share you guys what I was looking at, why we alerted, what we alerted, and just to share that with you guys. So Paul, you got any questions?
No, I think I'm good, Colin, right now.
You picking up on this stuff now?
Yeah, I am. The more I see it, the more comfortable I'm getting.
There you go. And that repetition too, the more you do it, the more comfortable you're gonna get. You're gonna build that confidence up in yourself, and you're gonna have more success. So that's all I really got for today. Too, you got anything you want to add before we shut her down?
No, man, I just came here to help. Good stuff, man. That's good stuff.
Cool. I appreciate you joining. Paula, thanks for hanging out. And everyone watching the video, I know a lot of you guys aren't able to catch this live, but do watch it later. So I really appreciate you guys' support and you watching. So
Thanks,
enjoy the
Colin,
rest
for
of
all
day.
your help.
No problem. Of course, that's what I'm here for. So have a great day, guys. I'll catch you guys in the
too.
chats
All right, man. Take it
Bye-bye.
easy.
later.